Okay, namaste, good afternoon, and welcome to you all here on our radio educational program, which is sponsored by Nepal Police School with media partner Radio Mares Masala 106.4 MHz. Yeah, here it's me, Santosh Kumar Thakur, and I am here with class 4 maths. Yes, and in class 4 maths, yes, today we have our topic is addition of unlike fraction. Yes, as we know, yes, we are learning fractions. So here today we have topic addition of unlike fractions. Yes, students, yes, as you know how to add or how to subtract is the like fractions in our previous classes is here, and today we have here is the addition of unlike fractions. Yes, so we have some similar process and some different. Yes, so now first we need to write about their rules of addition of unlike fractions. Yes, we need to know about the rules. Yes, how can we add the unlike fractions? Yes, so here in the first rule we have take the LCM of denominators. Take the LCM of the denominators. Is as you know, students, is suppose if we have given is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 is we have given two type of fractions. Is two fractions, that is 1 by 3 and 1 by 2 is, and there is given the plus sign. It means what? This is addition of unlike fractions. Yes, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. So first upon we should take the LCM of the denominator 3 and 2 is. So here in first rule we have to take is the LCM of denominators 3 and 2. Very good. Then after is after taking LCM is convert them into like fractions. Yes, so what are the fractions given over there? Yes, we have given here 1 by 3 and 1 by 2 is. So then after taking LCM of denominators, we should convert these fractions or the fractions is whatever is given over there is in our questions is we should convert them into the like fractions. Then after what is use formula after converting them into like fractions is we should use formula is what? Like sum of like fraction is equal to is sum of like fractions is equal to sum of numerator plus by denominators. Yes, so here as you know this formula, and we already discussed on this formula in our previous classes. Yes, so except this third rule, yes, we have here three rules that should be added in the addition of unlike fractions. Yes, and here we can say that also. Yes, we have to convert or we should convert the given fraction into like fractions. Yes, as first, then we should use or apply the formulas is of the sum of like fractions. So here suppose take we have take some examples of addition of unlike fractions. Yes, so we have here suppose in the first questions we have given is 1 by 2 is plus is 1 by 4. Students, here 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. Yes. So first of all, what we should change them in the like fractions first. Yes. So here, yes, we should for the like fractions we should take the LCM of the denominators. So as we can find here, LCM 2 and 4. Okay. Here 2 and 4, LCM of 2 and 4 is here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Yes. So LCM is equal to what? 2 into 1 into 2 is equal to 4. Students, don't be confused. As you know about the LCM, how to find LCM is. So don't be confused. Here our LCM is what? 4. Yes. So solution 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. Okay. Is equal to what is the LCM? Is we should make our denominators equal to the LCMs, and our LCM is what? 4. So we should make our we should convert or change our denominator equal to the denominators. LCM is. So here we have 2. So here when we multiply 2 by 2, then we will get what? 4. In the same way, when we multiply the denominator, we should also multiply it to the numerator. So numerator should be also multiplied with 2. In the same way, there is given plus. Then we have here 1 by 4. Yes, and 1 by 4 should be multiplied by 1 to get what? 4 as denominator. Then after what, we will get 2 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Yes, and here now these two fractions are like fractions. Yes, now these fractions become like fractions. Yes, so you can find here, you can see here, yes, these fractions become like fractions. Yes, and on that time we should apply the formulas. Yes, so sum of like fractions is equal to what? Sum of the numerator. So what are the numerator? 2 and 1. So 2 plus 1, and by what is given over there? Yes, the denominator, and the denominator is what? Is denominator. So the denominators are what? 4 and 4. So we should write only one denominator from them. So 4. Yes. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, and the denominator is 4. So 3 by 4 is our answer. Yes. I hope you are understanding about it. Yes. So here we have given two fractions. So first upon we should convert take their LCM to make them like fractions, or to convert them into like fractions. Yes, after converting them into like fractions, we should use the same formula of the sum of like fractions here, and we should apply that. Yes, in the same way, take other example. Yes, suppose we have other example like this. Yes, 3 by 5 plus 3 by 10. Yes, now again here solution of what? 3 by 5 plus 3 by 10. Yes, then after what, we should again take the LCM of 5 and 10, that is the denominators. So when we take LCM of 5 and 10, we will get what? 5 1s are 5, or we can here 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, then LCM is equal to what? 5 into 1 into 2 is equal to 10. So our LCM is 10, so that we should change our denominator or we should make our denominator is equal to the LCM, that is 10. So to make the denominator 10, we should multiply 5 by 2 and also 3 plus 3 by 10. There is the denominator 10 is equal to the LCM 10. So we should multiply it by 1. Then after we will get what? 2 3 is 6. Yes, by 5 2 is 10 plus 3 1 is 3 by 10 1 is 10. Yes, both the denominators are same, so they are like fraction. Yes, they comes into like fractions. So that what we should apply the formula sum of like fractions, and sum of like fractions we have the formula sum of numerators by denominators. Yes, so we should apply here what? Sum of numerator, that is 6 plus 3, and the denominators are same, so that what we should copy the denominators from them. Then after what? 6 plus 3 is equal to what? 9, and by denominators 10. Yes, it is our answer. In this way we can find the sum or addition of the unlike fractions by following these three methods. Then after take another examples also. So here we have given 1 by 4 plus 3 by 8. In this condition also these two fractions are unlike fractions, so that what we have to take the LCM as first. Then after here after taking LCM we will get here 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 8, then after 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4 what will be the answer? LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 1 into 2, and at last we will get 8. So here our LCM is 8. So that what we should make our denominators equal to our LCM, which is 8 here. So here solution 1 by 4 plus 3 by 8 is 1 by 4 plus 3 by 8 is. Then after 1 by 4 should be, that means 4 should, when we multiply 4 with 2, then it becomes 8. Then after, that means what? The fraction 1 by 4 should be multiplied by 2, then plus, and 3 by 8 should be multiplied by 1 to get denominator 1. Then after what? 2 into 1, 2 by 4 to the 8 plus 3 into 1, 3, 8 1 the 8. Then after these two fraction becomes, our fraction becomes what? Like fractions. Then after we can apply the formulas, sum of numerators. So there 2 plus 3 is by 8. Then after we will get 5 by 8. In this way, we can find the addition of unlike fractions by following these methods. I hope you are understanding. Suppose let's other example from what problem of addition, and the question is like this. So students, listen carefully and try to understand. Our question is like this. Sunita spends 2 by 5. Sunita spends 2 by 5 of her pocket money. Sunita spends 2 by 5 of her pocket money to buy a pencil box. To buy a pencil and 3 by 10 to buy an eraser. Then what fraction of her pocket money, did she spend altogether? So we have here questions. Sunita spent 2 by 5 of her pocket money to buy a pencil. So here we can find how much money did Sunita spend to buy a pencil? Yes, she spent to buy 5, yes, of her pocket money, yes, to buy a pencil. In the same way, yes, she used or she spent 3/10 part of her pocket money to buy an eraser. Yes, then here we have to find, or we should find, the fraction of our pocket money is that is she spent altogether. That means how much money she spent altogether as a whole. Yes, totally how much money did she spend? Yes, suppose, okay, suppose if you buy, yes, if you buy a copy for RS is 20, yes, copy for RS 20. The same way, yes, one pen for RS 15. How much money did you spend here? Yes, you spent here is 20 plus 15, altogether 35 rupees. Yes, so in this way, the same way, yes, Sunita spent 2/5 money, yes, for pencil, 3/10, yes, for eraser. Yes, then after what? Here also we should, to find a total money or total spent money, we should, yes, use the addition sign, use the addition of, yes, these two fractions. Yes, so that what we should first identify whether the fractions are like fraction or unlike fractions. Yes, or in this way we can find here, yes, these two fractions are what? Unlike fractions. Yes, so that what we should, yes, do this, do the questions in this way. Yes, so here solution, yes, solution. Spend, yes, to buy a pencil, yes, money spent to buy a pencil is equal to how much? 2/5 part. Yes, 2/5 part. Yes, it means money spent to buy a pencil is equal to 2/5 part. Yes, that means she spent 2/5 parts of money, yes, to buy a pencil. The same way, yes, money is spent to buy an eraser. Yes, money spent to buy an eraser. Yes, that is 3/10. 3/10 part. Yes. So how much money is that she spent altogether? Yes. So total money that is spent by her is, yes, we should add these two fractions, yes, to find the total. Yes, so in this way we can write this here like this. Here the total money that she spent is equal to, yes, the total money that she spent is equal to, we should add these two fractions. So here 2/5 plus 3/10. Yes, 2/5 plus 3/10. Yes, in this way we have what? Two fraction, that is 2/5 plus 3/10. Yes, students, and then after, yes, as we identified them, yes, they are is they are unlike fractions. Yes, and if they are unlike fractions, then on that time what we should apply, we should use this rule. Yes, these three rules, that in the first we should take the LCM of the denominators, in the second, yes, convert them into like fraction, then we should use the formula. Yes, so here we should first take here their LCM. So LCM of 5 and 10 that we have here, 5 and 10 is what? 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. So LCM is equal to what? 5 into 1 into 2, that is 10. So our LCM is what? 10. Yes, that means what? We should make the denominator equal to, yes, the what? LCM. Yes, so here to make the denominator equal to LCM, we should do like this. Here is equal to 2 by 5. When 5 is multiplied by 2, it becomes equal to 10, which is our LCM. So we should here multiply the denominator by 2 and also numerator by 2. Yes, and there is given plus, so we should give here plus sign. Then after what? There is given 3 by 10. Yes, yes. So here 3 by 10, that means denominator is already 10, so it should be multiplied with 1. Then after what? 2 into 2 4, 5 into 2 10, plus 3 into 1 3, yes, 10 into 1 10. Yes, now we got the like fraction. Yes, and for the like fraction we can, yes, apply the formulas. Yes, that is what? Sum of numerators, that is 4 plus 3, and the denominator, that is 10. Then after 4 plus 3, 7 by 10. This is the answer. Yes, so for the conclusion we can write here. Yes, we can write here, hence she spent, yes, 7 by 10, yes, 7 by 10 of her pocket money altogether. Yes, altogether. Then after this all, now this is the time for homework. Yes, so after this all, I hope you are understanding about this all. Yes, so here now this is the time for homework. So I'm going to give you homework relating the addition of unlike fraction. Yes, write your homework carefully. Yes, and your homeworks are like this. Yes, your homeworks are here. HW question number 1. Yes, in question number 1, add these unlike fractions. Add these unlike fractions. Yes, students, so here in question number A, you have given, yes, 1 by 3 plus 2 by 9. Question number B, yes, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Yes, in the same way, question number C, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5. In the same way, question number D, you have given Mr. Yadav, yes, Mr. Yadav farms, yes, vegetable, yes, Mr. Yadav farms vegetables, yes, in, yes, what, 5 by 8 parts of his land, yes, the same way, and crops, yes, and crops in 1/4 yes, parts of the land. Yes, what fraction of the land? What fraction of the land is does he farm altogether? Yes, so here students, your homeworks are question number 1, 8 these unlike fractions. In question number A, there is 1/3 plus 2/9. In the same way, question number B, 2/3 plus 1/4. In the same question number C, 1/2 plus 1/5. The same way, question number D there, Mr. Yadav farms yes, vegetables in 5/8 parts of his land. So, yes, that means vegetable farms in part land is equal to 5/8 parts. In the same way, yes, crops in 1/4 parts. Yes, then after we have to find yes the fraction of the land that he farms altogether. Yes, and after this all, this is the time to take this short break. Yes, so that what this is the time to leave class 4, and we will be here after this short break. So keep listening our radio education program.
रेडियो मधेश मसला 106.4 मेगाहर्ट्ज में अब समय है व्यापारिक विश्राम के। तब तक अपने भी हाथ साबुन पानी से मल मल के धो के आओ। कोरोना वायरस से अपने भी बचो आ दूसरों के बचाओ। सूचना 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 कोरोना वायरस संक्रमण संबंधी अत्यंत जरूरी सूचना। हाल विश्व भर फैल रहल कोरोना वायरस से नेपाल उच्च जोखिम में रहल। विश्व स्वास्थ्य संगठन के प्रतिवेदन अनुसार कोरोना वायरस से हो रहल आ हो सके वाला संभावित जोखिम से बचेला कोनो किस्म के सभा, जुलूस, मेला आदि न करे न करावे के लिए अनुरोध कल जाइत है। कोरोना वायरस से बचे वाला उपाय: भीड़ से बचो, चले के समय मास्क के प्रयोग करो, साबुन पानी से नियमित हाथ धो, कम पाकल मांस मछली न खाओ, दही, दूध, घी, पनीर आदि के सेवन करो, सड़ल खाए वाला चीज न खाओ, खाए वाला चीज के नीमन से धो के आ अच्छा से पका के मात्र खाओ, एक आपस में अभिवादन कैला पर नमस्ते करो, हाथ न मिलाओ, एक आपस में शारीरिक दूरी कायम रखो, खोखला पर या छींक आयला पर आगाड़ी के व्यक्ति के विपरीत दिशा में अपन मुख छोपू। रोग संक्रमण लागल संख्या लागला में स्वास्थ्य तथा रोग नियंत्रण कार्यालय के कॉल सेंटर नंबर 1339 में जानकारी दियो तथा चिकित्सक संगे संपर्क करो। दैनिक रूप में पानी गर्म करके मात्र प्रयोग करो। ब्रॉडकास्टिंग एसोसिएशन ऑफ नेपाल आ रेडियो मधेश मसला गौड़ा द्वारा जनहित में जारी संदेश।
सूचना सूचना सूचना
इलाका प्रहरी कार्यालय गरुड़ा के अत्यंत जरूरी सूचना। अभी विश्व व्यापी रूप में फैलल कोरोना वायरस केकरो भी हो सकता है, वही से कोरोना वायरस से बचो। अनिवार्य सामाजिक दूरी कमती में 2 मीटर कायम रखो। नियमित रूप में गुणस्तरीय मास्क के विधिवत प्रयोग करो। बिना काम के अनावश्यक हाट बाजार तथा भीड़ भाड़ होए वाला स्थान में न जाओ। बेर बेर साबुन पानी से निमन से मलमल के हाथ धो। गुणस्तरीय सैनिटाइजर के प्रयोग करो। मोटरसाइकिल आ स्कूटर में एक जना मात्र सवार हो। सवारी साधन में समेत सामाजिक दूरी कायम करो। मास्क न लगा के कहीं भी गेला पर या रास्ता में चलला पर सावन 12 गते से रु 100 रुपया जरिवाना होई। ओही से कोविड-19 नियंत्रण में व्यक्तिगत सुरक्षा प्रति सचेत हो। अनुरोध करता इलाका प्रहरी कार्यालय गरुड़ा रौतहट।
द वॉइस ऑफ मिडटाई रेडियो मधेश मसला 106.4।
Okay, good afternoon. Namaste and welcome you again here. Yes, on our radio education program, which is sponsored by Nepal Police School here. Yes, and I am here with class 5 maths. Yes, and class 5 maths is, as you know, class S we were discussing on the addition of S and subtraction of polynomial expressions. Yes, polynomial expressions. Yes, and in that today we have also some questions related that. Yes, so before dealing the questions, yes, let's know about some sign rule of that addition and subtractions. Yes, you may got some difficulty, I hope there. Yes, so here we have the sign rule of addition, sign rules of addition. Yes, so here we have, if we have given plus, yes, plus, yes, that means when positive add positive, then we will get what? Positive. Yes, and that should be added. Yes, added. Yes, sign should be positive. Yes, and the number should be added. The same way on the condition of minus plus minus. Yes, in this time, yes, our sign would be minus, but the number should be added. Yes, in the same way on the time of minus, yes, plus, yes, in this condition what is subtracted, subtract. Yes, we should subtract the numbers, but the greater sign should be mentioned there. Yes, suppose, for example, yes, suppose here is 4 plus 2 is equal to what? 4 plus 2, 6. There is no any sign, it means here there is given plus sign. In the same way, yes, take other example, minus plus minus. Suppose there is given minus 4 minus 2, yes, both signs are same, so there what? The sign is should be minus and the number should be added. So 4 plus 2, 6, it means minus 6. In the same way, if there is given minus plus plus, then the number should be subtracted. Suppose here, yes, minus plus plus. So here minus 4 and plus 2 here. So what should be there here? Subtracted. So after subtracting we will get what? 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, and there, but the sign, greater sign. So which is the greater sign from 4 and 2 is 4 has, yes, minus has the greater number, that is 4, yes, and which is 4 is greater than 2, so that what? Minus is greater, yes, so that what? We should use here minus sign. The same way, yes, if there is given plus minus, then again subtract, yes, but the again greater sign. Yes, so here again plus, yes, plus 4 minus 2. Yes, so here, yes, there is no any sign, it means plus sign, there would be plus sign, so that what? 4 minus 2 is equal to what? 2, and there is plus sign, it means if there is nothing, it means here is also plus sign. Yes, in this way, these are the 4 sign rule of addition and subtraction that can be used, yes, in our questions that we are going to solve. Yes, so here copy these all, yes, and that here let's discuss or do some questions. Yes, so students, as you know that, yes, we have done the addition and subtraction of polynomial expressions. So that after that all, yes, today we are going to discuss about the simplification. Yes, but before simplification, yes, let's talk about some word problem related addition and subtractions. Yes, so here in the first, yes, our question would be like this sometimes: what what should be what should be added to 2x plus 3 to get 4x plus 5. So students, here we have questions what should be added is in which number, in 2x plus 3 is to get what, 4x plus 5. Suppose sometimes we may have questions is what should be is what, yes, sometimes we may have questions like this also, what should be added is what should be added to 5 to get 8. Yes, which number that we add with 5 to get, to add with 5 to get 8. Yes, what number that we add to 5 to get 8 is on that time what is, we suppose is when we add 3 more to 5 then we will get what, 8. That 5 6 7 8 6 7 8. Yes, that means what, there are 3 number. Yes, when we add 3 more number to 5 then we will get what, 8. Yes, that means what, when we subtract 5 from 8 then we will get what, 3 here. Yes, when we subtract 5 from 8 then we will get what, 3. And 3 is the relative number or the required number. That means what, when we add 3 with 5 then we will get what, 8. It means what, 5 plus 3 is equal to what, 8. So our answer is what, 3. And how did we get our answer? Yes, when we subtract the smaller number from the greater number. Yes, that means what, the number in that the number should be added. Yes, that when we subtract the number is from 8 then we will get our answer. Yes, in the same way here, yes, at the place of 5 there is what, is 2x plus 3, and at the place of 8 there is what, yes, there is 4x plus 8. So how did we find this number 3? Yes, we find what, by subtracting. So here also we should do like this. Solution, what, in solution is 2x plus 3, at the place of is 5 there is 2x plus 3, and at the place of is 8 there is given what, 4x plus 5. Yes, so on that time how did we do here? Yes, we should subtract 5 from 8. In the same way we should subtract is 4x plus 5 from 4x plus 5 2x plus 3. Yes, so that what, here is 4x plus 5 minus is 2x plus 3. We can do like this also, or if you have any problem then you can use the vertical method of subtraction also, and as you know how to do this. Yes, so here we should arrange the like terms. So here 2x plus 3 and then we should subtract them, and as you know in the subtraction the sign would be changed. So here there is no sign, it means there is minus sign, and there is plus sign, it means also there is minus sign. Yes, because minus changes into plus and plus sign changes into minus sign. Yes, so don't be confused here. Yes, in the subtraction the sign will be changed. Yes, so here 5, yes, this plus sign become loss from here. Yes, then after what we have 5 minus 3. It means when 3 is subtracted from 5 then we will get what, 2. And as you know which one sign is greater, plus or minus. Yes, plus has more number, greater number than 3. So that what, plus sign is greater. So that what we should use here, plus sign. The same way 4 minus 2x, that means 2x. So our answer is what, 2x plus 2. Yes, in the same way, yes, we can solve all the questions related to this type of questions. Yes, so don't be confused while solving this. Yes, we can, yes, before solving we can suppose the addition or subtraction of general number, then you can find the addition or subtraction of the polynomial expressions easily. In the same way, suppose sometimes you may have questions like this. Yes, your question would be like this: what should be subtracted yes from 3x plus 4 3x plus 4 yes 3x plus 4 to get yes x plus 2. Yes, we have question: what should be subtracted from 3x plus 4 to get x plus 2. Yes, for this also we can take other example. Yes, for general number, that is what should be yes subtracted from, yes, suppose 5 to get 3. Yes, that means from 5 how many numbers should be subtracted to get 3. Yes, or you can say that in 3 how much number should we add to get 5. Yes, both would be the same. Yes, so that what, yes, when we add in 3 2 more number, then we will get what, 5, like 3 then 4 5. Yes, 3 4 5. Yes, that means what, when we add 2 more in 3, then we will get what, 5. In the same way, when we subtract 2 number from 5, then we will get what, 3. Yes, so the number should be what, 2. Yes, so that what, so we can find like this. Here we have 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, that means what, on other side there is what, 3. Yes, so when we got 3 1 2 3, we got 2 lines. Yes, it means what, we need 2 or we should subtract 2 from 5 to get what, to get 3. Yes, so here, yes, we can do like this here: 5 minus 3, then we will get what, 2. Yes, so in this way, what, at the place of 5 there is what, there is 3x plus 4, and at the place of 3 there is what, x plus 2. So in the same way we can solve that 2. Yes, so solution is, for solution, 3x plus 4 is and x plus 2. We should arrange them according to their like terms. Yes, and then after we should change their signs. Yes, what is given over there, and then after we can subtract them. Yes, so there is no sign, then its sign is minus, and there is plus sign, it means it changes into minus sign. Yes, then after what, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, and here also compare the signs. Yes, which one is greater, and for that what, yes, we should compare between their number. Yes, so there is 4 is greater than 2, so that the sign would be also plus sign. Yes, then after what, 3x minus 1x, it means what, how many x, 2x. Yes, and here also we have the plus sign greater. Yes, so that there is also plus sign. So again our answer is what, 2x plus 2. Yes, so students, if the questions will given like this, then on that time we can solve our questions in this way. Yes, and after this all, yes, we have other questions too. Yes, and for that we have the questions, next questions like this. Yes, simplify. Yes, simplify. Yes, and in simplify, let's example. Suppose in question number 8 there is given as 9 x square plus 4x minus 2 is minus 2x square is minus x plus 6. Yes, students, and as you know, is while adding or subtracting, is we should arrange the like terms is in the respective columns, yes, or at a place, yes, or at a place, so that what we should if the questions are given in horizontal way, yes, so on that time what we should arrange or manage or put or write the same terms at the same place. So here we have given is solution of what? Solution of 9x square plus 4x minus 2 minus 2x square minus x plus 6 is, so don't be confused here, take it easy here, 9x square and just search another the like terms related to with 9x square. Yes, so we have here is here 9x square and there is 2x square. Yes, so here x square and x square both have the same base and powers, so that what they are like terms, so that what we should write these two like terms at a same place. Yes, so in front of 9 there is no any sign, it means there is plus sign. Yes, so don't forget this thing. If there is no any sign, it means there is plus sign. So here we can copy these numbers as 9x square, but in the same way in 2x square, in front of 2x square there is given sign minus. Yes, so in front of 2x square which sign is given over there? Minus. So that what this minus sign is belonging to 2x square. So we should copy these all with the sign minus 2x square. Yes, I hope you are understanding about this. Yes, the sign which is given in front of the number, yes, that sign belongs to the same number. Yes, so that what in front of 2x square there is given minus sign. Yes, so that what we should write minus 2x square. Yes, and so that what we have to copy minus 2x square, yes, at the same place. Yes, so here in the same way here there is given plus, yes, in front of 4, yes, there is given plus, so that what we should write here plus, then after 4x, yes, and then after the like term with 4x is there is given x, because both have the same power, same base, so that what at the place of x we should write this x, and in front of the x there is given minus sign, so we should copy minus x here, minus x. Yes, because this minus is belonging to x, so that we should copy minus x here. Then after there is given minus 2, and there is given plus 6. As you know why we use here minus, because in front of 2 there is given minus, and we use here plus because in front of 6 there is given plus, so that what we have to use here plus sign. Yes, and then after add, and we have to add and subtract them, yes, accordingly. So here 9x square minus 2x square, yes, it means what 9 minus 2 is equal to what 7. Yes, 9 minus 2 is equal to what 7, and there is given x square, so we should also put here x square. So here 7 x square. In the same way there is given 4x minus x, it means 4 minus x means 1x, x means 1x, so 4 minus 1 is equal to what 3, and again there is x, so we have to also put there x. So there is given which sign is over there? There is no sign, it means what there is plus sign, so we use here plus sign, it means 3x. In the same way, yes, At last there is minus 2 and plus 6. So minus 2 and plus 6. So yes, remember the sign rule is that we learn here before a minute here is minus and plus. So there is, if the two signs are given over there, on that time what we should is subtract the number. Yes, so when we subtract the number 6 minus 2 is equal to what? 4, and we should write the greater number, greater sign. Yes, so as we can find here, yes, 2 has minus, the same as 6 has plus. Yes, so minus has 2 and plus has 6. So that what? Plus sign has a greater number, that is 6. So that what? We can put here plus sign. So here our answer is what? Plus 4. Yes, students, we can solve our questions in this way, and this is our answer. Yes, so don't be confused anywhere while solving this type of questions. Yes, so after this all, this is the time to leave class 5, and before leaving, yes, I'm going to assign you your homework. Yes, so write your homework carefully. Yes, and your homeworks are like this. Yes, question number 1. Yes, question number 1, simplify question number A. There is given 5a square minus 3a minus 2 is minus 2a square plus a minus 5. Question number B is there is given 3x square plus 2x plus 3 plus x square plus x is plus 1. In the same way, question number C. Yes, C also. So here a square minus 2b square plus a square minus b square. Yes. Then after question number 2 is what should be added? What should be added? Yes, what should be added to p plus 1 to get, yes, p plus 1 to get 2p plus 2. The same way, question number 3, what should be subtracted from 5y square plus 3 to get 3y square is minus 2. Yes, students. Yes, after this all, this is the time to leave class 5. Yes, and before leaving class, I would like to thank you all for listening and watching our radio educational program. Yes, in the same way, I would like to thank our technician friend to support me to run this program. Yes, Mr. Vikas Pandey. Yes, in the same way, keep listening. Yes, be safe. Keep listening. Radio Madhis Masala 106.4 MHz. Yes, take care. Bye bye.